I am not good at folding. Well, this is how you make it anyway, so yeah. The fly's pretty good, I just make it wrong. Good folding, you should make this. Seriously. It's supposed to be like sharp at the ends, and I cannot do it. Right here is bad. Then there should be like a flap right here. Then you're actually going to have to fold that up. I don't know why now I'm talking though. It's like kind of weird. Now that I do that, I fold it like an ordinary paper airplane. To there. You're gonna want like this part, like that tip, to go all the way down. Like right about there. It's like, same on the other side. And this is what you kind of come across, so make whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so I was doing it like right way for me. So you fold it like that, then use it like make it flat again. So then you go like that. Then you fold it down. Then you fold like that. Then same on the other side, just like touching each other. Then you fold that up. And then you go like that. Same thing. Then, as I said, you go all the way down. Same thing. Done. Voila. Ooh, okay. Here, if you want it like a little bit more light, you're gonna want to like fold this up like this. Yeah. Like what's that line right there? Sorry, my head was in the way. And then, like, make it touch each other. It's like that step I told you. It's kind of hard to do it, though. I would suggest to do it one by one, though. And then, you do as if you were just making it. And now, there. And yeah, here I'll try to like make it so you can actually like see it fly. This is better at folding. Okay, there's a closet. I'm trying to get it over there. There. Oh, didn't get much action from it because like it hit the wall and stuff. So yeah. That's what I did. I believe I can fly. Well, bye.